2 to 3 years from now, Scott, what's it going to look like? What is Verizon going to be focused on 2 to 3 years from now?
Well, that's a great question. Thank you for asking, Luke. Realistically, I think people are embracing the concept of AI. So underneath the concept of AI, I don't think people always think about it, but it's the reality of constant connection. And that evolution, and particularly when you start thinking about most of the AI instances that people are going to use, an organization has to make a choice. I can go to the cloud, right? I can go use OpenAI, I can go use Perplexity, I can go use Claude, I can go use Google. I've got tools I can use that are all cloud-based. I've got data that I don't want to share. So the first problem is, what do I do, right? How do I build the framework so that my data stays on my premise? I don't have to give up control of it. I don't want OpenAI knowing about what I'm doing. But the other side of it is, how can I effectively leverage that? So the first thing is AI. The second thing is constant connectivity. And then the last piece that we're thinking about, is all of this coming together into the concept of capacity. AI generates between 8 and 15 times the amount of network traffic that traditionally is on the network.
Wow.
Based on that, we have to start thinking about things like, how do we leverage dark fiber? How do we integrate? And, obviously Verizon has a large portfolio of dark fiber, as do many of our cloud partners. How do we leverage that? How do we build the capacity that organizations need so that they can have that AI, right? You can have your AI and eat the cake too.